This is an Exmark. Purchased 2-to-1 by the most respected commercial cutters on the planet. The pros who live 14-hour days on our mowers. But at sunset, they exit their Exmarks like they've been sitting in the seat of a luxury import. It all started when our engineers had the idea to go see what could be learned from a couple of the roughest, most challenging operator experiences in the world. Heavy equipment and auto racing. Then we wanted to study how a race car driver could keep his mind on the track and his surroundings, mile after mile. So then we started putting all that learning and technology to work in our newest Laser Z zero-turn mowers. And the seat? From side bolsters to body-conforming foam, you might say we reinvented it for our mowers. The controls are designed to make mowing easier too, with cushioned handles, shorter grip distance, and drive levers placed precisely where your hands naturally fall. Even the floor mats are crafted to reduce vibration. Taken together, these improvements and those we've made to our other products all add up to make mowing easier and more comfortable, with significantly reduced operator fatigue. But you have to sit in this virtual cockpit to really appreciate the comfort you'll find only on an Exmark. Exmark. Engineered by us. Trusted by them. Ready to work for you.
For a limited time, upgrade to one of 30-plus Collegiate Limited Edition full suspension seats when you purchase select Exmark Laser Z or Radius riders. Visit exmark.com/college for complete details.